we are going to look at types of quadrilaterals. Before we do that, I want to take a look at parallel sides and perpendicular sides. On the left, we have a quadrilateral, and I'm going to trace over one set of parallel sides. This side is parallel to this side. The reason why they're parallel is they're the same distance apart. Also, if you kept drawing these sides, if you went on and drew them, they would never cross if you kept drawing them forever and ever. So this side is parallel to this side. Over on the right side, I'm going to trace over a set of perpendicular sides. This side is perpendicular to this side. The reason why they're perpendicular is because they meet and make a right angle. See, we've got a right angle right here. So this side is perpendicular to this side. So what is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a polygon with four sides. So if you have a polygon and it has four sides, it is a quadrilateral. Let's look at the bottom here. This is a polygon because it has straight sides that all connect, but it's also a quadrilateral because it has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next one, it's a polygon because it has straight sides that all connect, but it's also a quadrilateral because it has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And same with the next three. They're polygons and they have four sides, so they are quadrilaterals. Now we're going to talk about different types of quadrilaterals. The first type we're going to look at is trapezoids. So a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one set of parallel sides. So this side is parallel to this side, and there's just one set of parallel sides here, so it's a trapezoid. So this side right here is not parallel to this side, because if you kept drawing them, they would eventually connect. But the blue sides that I traced over here are parallel, and so there's one set of parallel sides. It's a trapezoid. So if we look at this one right here, this side is parallel to this side, only one set of parallel sides. It is a trapezoid. So we've got a parallel side, one set. It's a trapezoid. Next we have a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two sets of parallel sides. So here's one set of parallel sides. They're always the same distance apart, or if you kept drawing the sides, they would never cross. And then here's another set of parallel sides. They're the same distance apart, and if you kept drawing them, they would never cross. So since there's two sets of parallel sides, it's a parallelogram. Let's look at this one. There's one set of parallel sides. There's another set of parallel sides. So it's a parallelogram. It has two sets of parallel sides. The next type we're going to look at is a rectangle. A rectangle is a quadrilateral with two sets of parallel sides, just like the parallelogram, two sets of parallel sides, but it also has four right angles. So if we look at this rectangle here, there's one set of parallel sides, those two sides, and here's another set. So yep, it has two sets of parallel sides, but in addition, there's four right angles, like that. So this rectangle has one set of parallel sides, then another set, so two sets of parallel sides, and in addition, four right angles. Next is a rhombus. A rhombus is a quadrilateral with two sets of parallel sides, just like the parallelogram and just like the rectangle. It has two sets of parallel sides, but also all the sides are equal length. So if we look here, this side is parallel to this side, and this side is parallel to this side. And then in addition, all the side lengths are the same. If I had a ruler and measured this side, this side, this side, and this side, they would all measure the same length. So if I look at this rhombus over here, that side is the same length as this side. All four sides are equal. In addition, there's two sets of parallel sides. There's one set, and then here is another set over here. Next we have a square. A square is a quadrilateral with four right angles and all sides are equal in length. So if I measured this, 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 and this on a square, all four sides, they would be equal. But in addition, there's four right angles. So to be a square, all four sides need to be of equal length, and then in addition, four right angles. So here's a drawing of a quadrilateral. I know it's a quadrilateral because it's a polygon with four sides. What type of quadrilateral is this? Think about it. Is it a trapezoid, a parallelogram, rectangle, a rhombus, a square? This is a parallelogram. So this is a drawing of a parallelogram. How about this one? This is a drawing of a square. Sometimes we see these little tick marks here in a square to show that they're all even. This is saying this side is the same as this and this and this. This is a square. It's a quadrilateral that has four right angles and all sides are of equal length. How about this one? What type is this? This is a trapezoid. It's a trapezoid because it has one set of parallel sides. This side is parallel to this side, and there's no other sets of parallel sides. What about this? This is a rectangle. It's a quadrilateral with two sets of parallel sides and four right angles. So this side is parallel to this side is parallel to this side, but in addition, there's four right angles. What type is this? It's a trapezoid. It has one set of parallel sides. This side is parallel to this side. Those other two sides are not parallel. If you kept drawing them, if you extended them, eventually they would cross. What about this? What type is this? This is a rhombus. It has two sets of parallel sides. This side is parallel to this side, and this side is parallel to this side. But in addition, all four sides are of equal length. This side is as long as this side, which is as long as this side, and as long as this side. Maybe you would see these little marks here to show that they are all the same. This is a rhombus.